Spatial Intensive Revision. Enumeration Form Distribution Tracker. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcome. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know how to handle the enumeration form distribution tracker. The BLO app is shown on the screen. Now click on the Spatial Intensive Revision. Now a new tab will be opened. Click on EF Distribution Tracker. A new screen will open and list of all the electors within the part will be displayed. BLO can filter out the list to whom enumeration form not collected, enumeration form not distributed, enumeration form collected, and enumeration form distributed. If BLO selects the EF not distributed, a list of all the electors to whom enumeration form has not been distributed will be displayed. BLO can take the further action accordingly. If BLO selects enumeration form distributed, a list of all the electors to whom EF has been distributed will be displayed. BLO can take the further action accordingly. BLO can also get the color code information by clicking here. Color code information and pending enumeration for information will be displayed. This pop-up window can be closed by clicking the Close button. BLO can also search the elector by typing name or part serial number or epoch number. BLO can also filter out the elector by scanning the QR code displayed on the EF by clicking Scan QR code. Based on the QR code scanning, elector details will be displayed. BLO can take further action accordingly. If BLO had distributed the EF, BLO will click on EF distributed. If BLO had distributed the enumeration form, BLO will click the EF distributed. A confirmation window will open and click accordingly. If BLO click cancel, then the elector will not be marked as EF distributed. If BLO clicks yes, then elector will be marked as EF distributed. Color of box will be changed and EF distributed button will disappear and success message will be displayed. If BLO has collected EF and wants to mark elector as EF collected, then click on EF collected. If BLO has collected enumeration form, then click on EF collected. A confirmation window will open and click accordingly. If BLO click cancel, then elector will not be marked as EF collected. If BLO click yes, then elector will be marked as EF collected. Color of elector's box will be changed and EF collected button will disappear and success message will be displayed. Color of elector's box with green color will be displayed. This shows no further action is required as we had distributed and collected the enumeration form from this elector. BLO can also directly mark the particular elector as EF collected. A confirmation window will open and click accordingly. If a BLO cancel, then elector will not be marked as EF collected. If BLO click yes, then elector will be marked as EF collected. Color of elector's box will be changed to green and success message will be displayed. This shows no further action is required as we have distributed and collected the enumeration form from this elector. In this education video, we have learned about how to handle the distribution tracker. Thank you for watching this video.